Hello, this is Keith at Company Bright. If you're like me, you use an external program to gather your subscribers and to manage your email list. I use MailChimp, and I was looking for a very simple piece of code that I could put on my website to have the sign up form on the website. I didn't want to host the form on my on-site. I wanted to pull the code from MailChimp. And fortunately, they have a very easy way to do this. All you have to do is I picked this super slim form option right here on MailChimp, and it gives you the code right here. Well, unfortunately, the code that it gives you makes this lovely gray button, and I don't know too many people who really want a gray button on their website, but I started looking around, and there was no clear way to turn the button to another color. And I started looking on the internet. A lot of the other people were having the same problem, so I decided to figure out how to fix it and then create this little tutorial to help to see how I solved the problem. Well, they do have some customization options, but it seemed more appropriate to launching the space shuttle than just changing a simple color on a button. So I copied this code into Notepad and started looking at it. And I'm not a CSS expert by any means at all, but I did find the input type right here, which defines what the button looks like. And there's three places that you can install your CSS. It can come from another page, it can come from the top of your page, or it could be done in line with the element, which is the easiest for what I want to do. So I created this little piece of code right here, style equals background, and then colon, and that gives me the color. That's the color that I'm looking for. I wanted an orange button. So I copied this into right here. Let me get rid of this so that it's not confusing. And so that's all it took to change the color of the button. So it went from being this ugly gray button to this nice orange button, which fits in with the rest of my site. Also, though, the button that they gave me was square. As you can see, the edges here are sharp, and I wanted round buttons. So I said, well, what little piece of code can I put in there to fix that problem? Well, just a little bit of research, and it's this right here, moz-border-radius, colon 8 pix 8 pix 8 pix, which defines the size of the radius at each corner of my buttons. So I go back up to where the style tag that I put in a semicolon to separate for another style, and I paste it in there. And so then I copied this, just take this whole piece of code right here and copied it into my website, and presto, we've got a nice orange button with rounded corners. So I hope this information helps. Please consider signing up for my blog at companybright.com, where you can get learning for your business. Thanks, and have a good day.